Hello everyone, and welcome to Forms Part 7. In this video, you will learn how to create a feedback grading system where the students grade the instructor on how well they taught the session. Let's again visit Joe. Joe wants to know how his instructors perform during their sessions. He figures that the students can best attest to how well the instructors teach the course. He's going to set up a grading system so that instead of the instructors grading the students will be grading the instructors. Here we are in the Mint Web Assistant. We're going to head over to Forms and look at the example feedback that we'll be using in this video. As you can see, this is a form where the students give feedback on the instructor. One of our measured items is the objective of the training/workshop was clearly defined. So for that, you can add a comment, and then you can go over here and grade it could be improved, okay, or excellent, or one of the radio buttons in between. We're going to close out of this and head back to the main page. And here we're going to click on our last day of training where I've already assigned the form that we just viewed. We're going to select our form, and here we see our grading structure. This first bubble is where the grader will be, the one doing the signing off. For our example, that will be our students. So we're going to grab the captain and the first officer. And then we follow the arrow over to the second bubble, and here's where the person that we are signing off on will be. So here's our flight instructor. The next thing we're going to look at is this first/any option. If you right-click, you can change the grader type. First/any indicates that either the first or any of the graders will need to sign off. If you select all the graders must sign off. You can also have the instructor grade themselves. So we're going to go ahead and select all. And then we're going to right-click again and edit the availability. So edit grading item availability. So for example, we can make the form available, let's say 1 day after the end of the event. We can make it assignable 15 minutes after the end of the event. You can leave this till forever, giving it no limits, or we can say until 30 days after the end of the event. We're going to press OK to save it. Next, we're going to look at the anonymous grading option. Now, when your instructor is grading your students, they're already going to know who is giving them a grade, so it doesn't actually need to be anonymous. But when giving feedback, we want to keep it anonymous so that we can have honest feedback happening. So we're going to click Anonymous Grading, and then we're going to go ahead and save all these selections in the Mint system by pressing OK. This has been Forms Part 7. Thanks for watching.